Hello, welcome back to Easy Wonders. Today we are discussing about some important topics like variables, data types, keywords, and operators. Normally in Python classes, these things will be uh, taught first, but I choose to teach this one after completing many classes. The reason is why explaining that in the first classes you will not get any idea regarding that one. Actually, at that time you are not knowing these things or programming matters. That is, you will be in a blank situation. At that time, while telling data type, keywords, and all these things, you will get confused. But you already used all these things in my previous classes. So by explaining that now, you will get the idea clearly and very easily. Okay, we can start from the variables. Already we discussed variables in many classes, in many previous classes itself. That is, in this example, in last class we explained this example. You can see x, y, these are variables. Result is another variable. Okay, total is another variable. I told you this is local variable and these are global variables. Okay, that is something, some names or some characters to which we can assign something. We can give some values and we can change that values too. Okay, this is x is a variable, y is a variable, result is a variable, total is a variable, and we can assign numbers or strings or boolean values, anything to that variables. Okay, so these variables are some containers that can store some values. Okay, we can go through one example, then you will get more clarity regarding the variables. We can do now, if you are taking your house expenses each month and we are considering different expenses like rent, we are creating a variable rent equal to 2000. Okay, we assigned 2000 to rent. We created a rent variable there. And gas variable, gas expense is 300 per month. Okay, that also another variable I created. We can create this variable in different ways. Here I used small letters for both rent and gas. I can use capital letters too, or you can start with a capital letter and other letters with small letters, or mixed manner, capital or small letters you can use. Also you can use numbers also in this one. Okay, and underscore also you can use for defining these variables. Okay, groceries, defining this one, grocery expense we can take is 500. Okay, in this one capital letter I used and other small letters also. Okay, now we can give another variable, total is another variable. We can assign the total by adding these all variables. We can add rent plus gas plus groceries. Okay, then we will get the total in this total variable with the all these amounts added. Okay, by printing total we will get 2800. That is the total of these three values, right? Like that we can create any variables. I told you small letters, capital letters. Also you can use numbers in that one, num3, num34. With these alphabets we can use numbers also while defining variables. but numbers can't be used in the beginning. If you use 3 num like this, we can't, this will not take as a variable. If I am assigning 34 for that one, it will not take. Syntax error, invalid syntax. That is, this is the reason is we can't start with a number while defining a variable. You don't use, never use integer numbers at the starting, but you can use in between or at the end of. We can use like this, num4 equal to 67. That's okay, no issue. Also, you can use underscore also as a special character. Underscore num equal to 100. You can assign like that. Okay. Then while printing underscore num equal to 100. Okay. No issues. But no other special characters can be used. Percentage, hash, at the rate, or plus, minus. These all characters not be able to use as variables. Okay. Any characters can be normal. Alphabets can be used. Numbers can be used, and underscore also can be used. But numbers, only the number can't be used at the beginning, but all alphabets or underscore can be used at the beginning also, beginning of that variable also. Okay, I think then the concept regarding the variable is clear to you. Also, we should care about using these names. Actually, we used rent, gas, groceries, total, such many names. Any names you can use, but some names should be avoided, like false. You can see that is going to a yellow color. This is a keyword in Python. Okay, false. True is another keyword, right? True is another keyword. Okay, four is another keyword. Okay, these such keywords can't be used as variables. Okay, we should avoid that keywords as keywords. That is a inbuilt defined some words in Python. You can see all the keywords by importing that one. Keyword, import keyword, then keyword dot keyword list. You will get all the keywords in this Python version. You can see false, none, true, and, as, assert, async, await, break, from, for, finally, accept, else, elif, not, or. These all are Python keywords. We can't use these keywords as our variables. Okay, so you found these keywords also. Okay, now we can go to the data types. Actually, we assigned numbers, 34 assigned to this one. Like that, I already explained something about data types, integer data types. That is num equal to, if we are assigning num equal to 56, then the type of this variable is integer. That is integer type of the main data type is integer. Actually, num, type of num, we are checking, you can see class int. This is integer type. If with the decimal points, num1, we are assigning num1 equal to 78.98. okay, then it is a floating point number. You can check the type. Okay, type of num1 by checking that one, we can see that's a floating point number. And now we can see the string type, string data type. That is another important type of data. Okay, name equal to Jack. Okay, sorry, Jack. Okay, this is a string type. Okay, Jack. Then we can check the type equal to type of name. You can see that is string str. This is a string type. Another type is value equal to some other variable. I am assigning for that true. This is a boolean type actually, true or false. That is boolean type. By checking the type of this one, you can see value, right? Value. The type of that value variable is boolean. Bool. You can see this boolean. These are the important data types: int, float, string, boolean. These are normally we are using. We need to know this one only now. Okay. Then we can go to operators. Okay, operators also we used already. Operators plus, minus, divided by, everything we used already. Plus addition for addition, minus subtraction, in star multiplication, this for division, double star for exponent. That may be not yet used. You can see by finding the exponent value, we can use double star. 2 raised to 2. What is the 2 raised to 2? 2 raised to 2 is 4, right? Then 2 raised to 3. What about 2 raised to 3? 2 raised to 3 is 8, right? Yeah. 2 raised to 4. 2 raised to 4. That is 16, right? Like that. That is an exponent. Double star is using for as an exponent operator. Like that, assignment operator, that also we used equal to operator. Okay, num equal to 6. We used that equal to operator already. Also we can use num plus equal to 5. Actually num is adding with 5 and assigning to num itself. Okay, num plus equal to 5. By printing that num again, you can see this num is added with 5. Okay, this is actually num equal to num plus 5. Num equal to num plus 5. The original num is 6. 6 plus 5. Then this num will print 11. Okay, this num plus equal to means num equal to num plus 5, like that. Num minus equal to 5 means it is minusing 5, or num equal to num minus 5. That both are similar. Num equal to num minus 5. Then what will be the value of num? That will be 6. Here incremented 5. Here decremented 5. Okay, this can be written as num minus equal to 5. By decrementing again, the 6 value will become 1. 6 minus 5, right? Now by checking the num, you can see the value of num is 1. Okay, that is decrementing by 5. If we are keeping that one in a loop, in each step it will decrement by 5. The above case, each case it will increment by 5. Okay, like that you can do num equal to num into 5. Okay, sorry, I wrote there n only. Num equal to n into, num into 5. You can write that like that. Okay, you will get num into 5. Actually num value is 1 now, so 1 into 5, that is num will be 5. Okay, then num equal to instead of that num into 5 I can write this way also. Num star equal to 5. That is, num will be multiplied by 5 and assigned to num itself. Okay. Then the present value of num is 5. That will be multiplied with 5 and assigned to the num itself. By printing that num now, we will get the value that is multiplying with this 5. That is 5 into 5. That is 25 we will get. Okay. Then that also clear. Like that, you can see minus equal to, plus equal to, star equal to. This whole thing we can use. Like that, comparison operators. These also we used comparison operators, equal to, for comparing whether two numbers or something equal to. Therefore, double equal to is used for comparing two numbers. Not equal to, less than, greater than, less than, equal to, greater than or equal to. These all are comparison operators. This also used for in case of while, if statements, for loop, for all that things we used these all combinations already. Also there are some logic operators, and or not, that are logic operators. I can show one or two examples in that case also. If some condition 6 less than 7 and this is a logic operator, 5 less than 6, and while using the and, you can see this condition is correct. 6 is less than 7, this condition gets a value true, and 5 less than 6, this also true. So both are true. In that case, the result of this will be true. If both this condition and this condition true, then we will get a true value. If any one of this condition is wrong, then we will get false. If any condition get false. Okay, you can check 6 less than 4. Actually that condition is false, right? And 5 less than 6, that this condition is true, but this condition is false. So by getting false any one of this condition, we will get a false result. Okay, you can see a false result. Also, if both condition are false, then also we will get false. That is, only when we get true value, in the case when both the conditions are true, then only we will get a true value. But if we are using or here, instead of or, only one condition needed to be true. If any one of this condition is true, then we will get a true value in case of or. Okay, we can check this one can be done. In this case, one condition is true and one condition is false, right? So in case of using and, it is providing false, but by using or, we will get true. Since this condition is true, this condition is false. So in case of or, we need one condition only to be true. Actually this or this, it is similar to the English language itself. If we are telling mango or orange, at that time we need at least one mango or orange. You can take mango or orange, one should be there, that's all. But if we are telling mango and orange, then mango and orange should be there, both should be there, right? Like that, and or take the same role as in English language. Okay, if the both are wrong, then only this will become false in case of or. Okay, we can check that. by keeping both the conditions false. This condition is true, we can change that also false by giving 8. This also false, this also false, then only we get a false result. Okay, like that. Not also a boolean or logic operator. Okay, these are the different type of operators. I told you about the operators, these arithmetic operators, then assignment operators, then comparison operators, also logic operators also I explained here. Before that I explained about data types: integer, float, string, and boolean. Okay, like that. Before that we discussed about keywords like for, while, true, false. That all are keywords used in Python. Okay, these all are keywords used in Python. Okay, before that I explained about variables also. We discussed about all types of variables and the which value can which all can be used as a variable, which type of numbers, combination of numbers, characters, and special character underscore also we can use as variables. But numbers can't be used at the beginning, and all other can be used at the beginning and in between or end also. Okay, I think everything is clear regarding these all things. uh, if you have any doubt, you can ask below this video, and your comments and your likes are valuable for me. So please comment and like the video, share to your friends too. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time.